Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Let's begin this new year with new resolutions, new learnings, and let's bring out the best in us. Eduhub Community brings to you its first edition of Winter Camp 1.0. You might have a lot of questions in your mind. What is it? How will it benefit me? How can I judicially use it? Who all will mentor me? And many more. Don't worry, we are going to solve all your doubts super soon. Stay tuned with us. Drop all your questions in the comment section. So let's start. What exactly is Eduhub Community? So we have with us the co-founder Sahitya Roy.
Hey everyone, welcome to Eduhub Winter Camp 1.0. So, today I will explain what is Eduhub, when we start our journey, and all. Right? So, Eduhub community is a community for the people by the people. So, we believe in learning in public and sharing knowledge in public. Right? So, we are using one hashtag, that is Let's Take You Forward. So this is not a hashtag, this is a one kind of emotion for me when we started this Eduhub community. And my motto will be to share knowledge with people and to grow with the people. The main motto behind the community is that. Then I think to start one hashtag, that is Let's Take You Forward, and now it's like we are branding this in our whole scenario, like that is Let's Take You Forward. So we started our journey in 2021, and we hosted several workshops, events, hackathons across globe. We have two club in foreign. One is in Nigeria and University of Lagos, and another is in Meru. Apart from that, we hosted several meetups, workshops in-person mode in Jaipur, Shiliguri in North Bengal, as well as Delhi. So our next vision is to move all across the India and share our journey and host multiple events. And let's see some of the glimpse of 2022 events. Like we hosted one in-person event. Like this is like three most valuable event, you can say. One is Web3 and Open Source Day, Jaipur, Eduhub Tech Conference, and also Web 3.0 Connect Delhi. uh let's see some of the glimpse of our photo. You can see several photos over there, like several glimpse of our events. Like I guess like 2 to 3 events are missing in like 4 to 5 events are missing in the pictures. Okay, so see, let's see what kind of brands we are collaborated with in previous 2022. We worked with several brands, you can see in the screen, like Covalent, Polygon, GitHub, iNeuron, several, in fact Microsoft. And yeah, let's introduce cohort sponsor. So let me introduce first our sponsor is Gigs for Gigs. All of you know about Gigs for Gigs, right? They provide quality content, blogs, courses, and job opportunities to the techie. Like if you are a budding programmer, if you want to be a software engineer, then Gigs for Gigs is your friend. So big shout out to the Gigs for Gigs and Sandeep sir for offering the sponsorship for the cohort. And the next is Fetch.ai. Fetch.ai. This is one kind of Web3 build and deploy on Fetch.ai. The Fetch.ai network is an interchain protocol based on Cosmos SDK and use a high performance WSM based smart contract right? So this is one kind of Web3 company. So they also sponsor us in the Web3 track. Apart from this, a big shout out to our community partners like Google Developer Student Club, Padul University, Geeky Hub, and others. All the community partners. Thanks for your support. Without community partner support, this event won't be possible. So big shout out to the community. You guys are doing awesome in the community field. Thanks for your support. And now I hand over the stage to the Drishti.
So now comes the question, what is this Winter Camp 1.0? So it's a 21 days cohort which aims on helping all of you to learn new skills, polish the existing ones, learn with peers from the mentors in a particular domain. And it's not just learning, it will be full of quizzes, projects, and hackathon to win some amazing prizes. So now, what are the different domains? We have front-end development, back-end development, blockchain, machine learning, Android development, and DSA using C++. So now comes the question, how will it benefit you? So you'll be getting the community and the mentorship support of a lot of people. Next, you'll be getting goodies and social media shout out to the top performers. And there will be certificates for everyone. The major important thing is you will be learning new skill. So, what is the timeline? All the meeting links will be sent on your respective domain channels on Discord. The closing ceremony will be on 24th January, followed by the inaugural of the hackathon on 20th January. Yes, we are gonna have a hackathon as well. So, what do we want from you now? We want you to support us as a community member, promote us on social media by sharing your badges, and be the active part and have an active participation in the winter camp. So now I'll hand over to Subrato to explain everything about Discord.
Hey guys, good evening. First of all, so I am Subrat Raju. I am the moderator of our Discord server, the Eduhub Community official Discord server. So let's have a tour of the Discord server. Let me share my screen. Give me a second. Okay, so it is
Yeah,
visible,
Prakash, your
right?
screen is yes.
Cool. So yeah, let's see that Discord server. Cool. So when you're gonna land on our Discord server, you're gonna see something, a page like this. This is the rules page. Cool. Where we depicted all of the rules of our Discord server to maintain the decorum of your server. Right. So you're gonna land on this page when you enter the Discord server. Then we have our EWC 1.0 section. It's like the Eduhub Winter Camp 1.0 section where you're gonna find several text channels and voice channels over there. These are the like voice channels, announcement channels over there. So you're gonna find some channels here. So let's discuss one by one. So it's the program updates channel. Cool. So here we can find all of the updates regarding the winter camp or the cohort. And next to it, we have session updates. Here we can find the session updates like where when your class is gonna happen, some doubt sessions. We're gonna put all of the information here. Cool. Then these are the two announcement channels. Then we have our report issue channel. It's a text channel. You can text over here. What you gonna text? You're gonna text everything like you are facing some issues regarding the server. This is not a text channel for the problems regarding the cohort. This is a text channel if you are having any problem regarding the server, Like if you are facing any problem accessing some text channels, some voice channels, then you're gonna tag me, right? You're gonna simply tag moderator like this and post your issue here. Cool. So you're gonna post your issues, your problems regarding to the server. Then we have a voice channel. Here we're gonna discuss the bug or the issue with you and we're gonna fix it. Cool. Then we have the domains channel where you can post your problems or issues you're gonna find during the cohort. Like you attended a class and then you find some problem regarding the they what they teach taught you, then you're gonna find some problem and you post it here. Then the mentors, how you gonna post? Simply tag the mentors like this and write down your problems. Cool. Then the mentor will assist you and solve your problems. Please write down regarding your domain, like if you have any problem in DSA, write down here. If you have problem in front-end development, write down here. We have separated channels for every domain. Cool. So write down your problems regarding to that domain only. Don't spam anywhere anything. Cool. We have every domain section, like DS is there, front end is there, backend is there, blockchain is there, Android is there, machine learning is there. We have all of the 6 domains here. Cool. Then we have a AWS dot 1.0 discussion section. Here you're gonna click on this channel. This is a voice channel and you can have your peers here, have your cohort partners, cohort batchmates here, and discuss the problem with them also, right? Here we gonna experience the peer-to-peer learning form. You don't just tag the mentor and discuss the problems with only them. Cool. You're gonna, like Basant is doing, you're gonna uh, click on the plus channel and create your own voice channel and discuss with others also. Cool. Then we have our doubt solving session. Here we have 3 voice channels. There the mentors will take your doubt sessions each and after every class. Cool. There you can ask them doubts. There you can discuss with them the what they have taught you in the classes. Cool. And then we have our server channels. This is the community announcement channel, this is the events announcement channel, and this is the opportunities channel. So you have nothing to do with those channels. Cool. This is our community channels. So if you are a participant of the EWS 1.0 cohort, then you're gonna experience only these sections. Cool. And a important note that if you are having the role, like if I turn on the profile page of Jatin, he is having this role EWS 1.0 champ, so he gonna access these channels. Cool. He have access to these channels. If you don't have this role, you don't have this access to these channels. Like if I can show you, give me a second. If I remove this role and if I add only community role, then you can see we don't have the sections here, right? So it is very much important to have that role if you are participating in 1.0 cohort. That's why I'm saying in Discord, like every each and every other hour to have that role. Cool. So let me back to that role. Yep. So make sure that before starting the classes, like we are starting classes, one of our teammate will discuss with you when we're going to start our classes and doubt sessions and all. So make sure before that you have that role if you are participating in 1.0 cohort. How are you going to have that role? I Give me a second. Yep. So here I said you that if you are a member of the server, you are old member, then leave the server and Join through the link we have provided you in the mail, in the confirmation mail of AWS 1.0. Cool. If you are joining through that link, then you're gonna have the role automatically. Cool. So if you are an old member, you don't have the role yet, you have received the confirmation mail. So this is a humble request. Please leave the server and join through that link we have provided you in the mail. So you're gonna have the role automatically. Cool. Now, one question I'm facing quite a bit, that how you gonna check whether you have the role or not. So here in this column you can see that your name will be shown here. Cool. Or if that's not happen, then you can what you can do, you're gonna simply go to the general and type anything. Cool. Type anything, then this is your name. If this is in white color, you have the role, right? Like my name is in red color, you can see. And you can type your name also. So type your name, you're gonna have that color, you're gonna see that role. Cool. Like I am having several roles and my name is in red. So if I can show you, like Rahul's profile, if I tap on his profile, then you can see the role he is happy. Cool. So simply write down here a message and check whether your naming is blue or white color or not. If you are not in white color, then leave the server, join through the link we have provided you in the mail, will automatically get the role. Cool. Then check once that you are having access to these sections, like you are having access to the backend development section and all that stuff. And don't worry about the announcement channel. This is only for the managers, like who are managing the cohort, or the mentors. They will only have access to those channels. It is providing you the updates only. You have nothing to do with this. Don't have to follow this. You will automatically have the notification on your mobile if we post something here. So don't need to follow this. Like you can follow this when you want. Here we post anything, then if you want them to anything where, like any other server, you can provide them the information we post here, then you can follow and just simply add your server here, but it is nothing to do. Cool. So simply left this part and you will automatically get the notification. Cool. So this is it about the AWS 1.0 section. To make sure, the gist of my discussion is, make sure you have this role. Cool. Make sure you have this role before the classes start. So yeah, over to Drishti.
Okay, so let's move on. So let's move on and see the team who is organizing this whole winter camp.
Hello everyone, Amar Sansil this side. I am the PR manager of Eduhub Community. So our team who is managing all the whole the winter camp, which is Amar Sansil, Drishti Jain, Subrata Rajak, Akash Kumar and Sahitya Roy, and our website managing team, which is Subham Gupta and Subrato. So let's see the mentor. So for Android mentor, we have Agrima Gupta and Subrata Rajak as a mentor, and Subrato Rajak is the moderator. For the front-end mentors, we have Saurabh, Krupesh, Karthike, and Siddhi as the mentor, and Praveen sir as the exclusive mentor. And the for front-end, Drishti will be the moderator. And for the DSM mentor, Khushi Nodia, Anjali Sharma, and Shruti Grover as the mentor, and Akash will be the moderator. For the ML mentor, Ayush Jain, Arushi Garg, and Soumya Vats will be the mentor, and I will be the moderator. For the blockchain mentor, Kavya Saxena and Akshay Sharma will be the mentor, and Saitya will be the moderator. And next, for the backend mentors, Ritika will be the mentor and I will be the moderator. Make sure to reach out to your moderator for any query and reach out to your mentor for the any query in the particular domain. So let's move to the schedule.
So, good evening to all. So, let me tell you about the schedules for the winter cohort. We will be having the classes for all the domains like blockchain, front end, back end, Android development, and machine learning. These all are mainly on Saturdays and Sundays, except the DSA classes. The DSS classes will be on the Tuesday and the Saturday, as our mentors are not free in the weekends. So I expect from everyone that you will be cope up with the schedules for the DSA. And the timings for these classes will be in the afternoon and the evening session, like 4 to 5 and 5 to 6. Especially for the DSA one, it will be on 6 and 9 p.m. So if you need all the updates like timetable, the class link, all the resources, especially the doubt session, these all are the provided on the Discord server, and you can access the link through the Discord channel only. So it is very mandatory to join the Discord server. One more important thing I want to discuss with you that all the sessions will be followed by the quizzes determining the leaderboard for you all. Any task that is assigned by the mentors for each domain will have to be submitted on the Google form after the completion. The exclusive session for the each domain will be notified on the Discord server itself. So don't forget to join the Discord server of Eduhub Community. Now let's talk more about the hackathons. The hand it over to the Steven.
Yep. Hey
So,
everyone. Yeah, I will be taking the hackathon part. So let's see the hackathon. What will be going on in the hackathon section? So yeah, so our hackathon is like 28th January, and the hackathon sponsor is Polygon, Devfolio, Solana, Fileco, and Replit, and more sponsors are on the way. So these are like our title sponsor for the hackathon. So you might be thinking, after completing the whole hackathon or whole cohort, like what I will be getting, right? It's a big question. So for hackathon winners, those who are in blockchain domain and you are building something on Ethereum, right? There will be some good amount of cash prizes for you. Like first winner of blockchain domain will get 100 USD in total. If I say from Polygon, you will get 200 USD, and in from Filecoin you will get 150 USD, and in Solana you will get like approx 100 USD. In total you can say approx 350 USD you will get from the hackathon, right? And if you are from non-technical not if you are from front end domain and back end domain, right? So there will be more sponsor from Gigs for Gigs. Gigs for Gigs will provide you some swag kit from their side, as well as Replit is there. If you know host your, if you build your project on Replit, Replit will provide you 50 US dollar, as well as top 5 performer who will complete their whole project in Replit. They will get some swag kit from Replit, and these swag kits are exclusive swag kits, right? Many more things are coming from Fetch.ai and others companies also, and from our side also. So don't think like after completing the hackathon and cohort I don't receive anything, right? After completing the hackathon there are lot many things, and during the cohort each session we have some quiz, some social media competition, many more things are there, right? So you can get many more swags from our side. So this is the thing, and the registration link will be shared with you guys soon in the Discord server and your mail, right? So don't forget to join in the Discord server. It's very, very, very mandatory to join the Discord server, right? Yep. So hand over to Drishti.
okay, so I can see one question: when are the classes happening? So, classes for all the domains are starting on 7th, and they'll be scheduled as Akash said, and they'll be scheduled on either Saturday or Sunday. And for DSA, it will be on Tuesday and Saturday. Make sure to be joined on the Discord server for the links.
Yep, guys. If you have any kind of query, any kind of doubts, feel free to drop in the chat section. We will resolve your doubts.
If you want to change your domain, yes, you can change your domain. Just be present in the respective domain channel in the Discord.
Because we have another thing, like each domain we have some attendance criteria, right? So in attendance sheet you can enroll yourself, and we can consider your attendance, right? Consider your domain.
Hackathon
For
is gonna
program
be.
schedule, yes. Yep, hackathon gonna be online, and for the schedule, yeah, schedule we will be sharing in your respective mail as well as Discord, because like first priority is Discord and second priority is mail. So make sure you are in the Discord server, and if you have any doubt in the Discord server, feel free to contact with Shubhrato. Like next question is can we attend more than one courses? Like yep, you can, but make sure like classes will be in different time zone. That's the main thing. When machine learning classes, yeah, Amar, you can go ahead with the question.
Yeah, sure. We will share all the stuffs in the Discord server. So stay tuned. After starting the class, we will share all the resources machine learning.
Okay, before going to the next question, I'm having one surprise for everyone. This is like no one in the panel knows about the surprise. Okay, so the surprise is if you can take one screenshot of the session and put it over Twitter, LinkedIn, or Instagram, and at the end of the session I will be sharing one Google Form. If you can put, and the most like or reachable post will get some swags from our side, right? Is it okay? This is a good opportunity. From day one, you can get a swags by sharing something, right? Okay, let's move on to the question. Yep, this question is like, how can we get to know our domain which we have filled in from? Yeah, anyone in the panel can go ahead with that question.
So, all the channels will be visible to you once you join the Discord through the invite sent to you in the link and the email, and then you can see the classes of that. You can just join the classes of that particular domain you want to learn.
Actually, also there will be no need to know before the classes. We will send the mail to all the registered candidate for the particular domain.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also please make sure you check your mail regularly and Discord server regularly, right? Is one domain enough to join? Yes, it's enough to join one domain. Can mentors take part in the hackathon too? Yeah,
Nice
yeah, we
question.
will discuss soon. That's a good question. Thanks, Ritika. Can I join in two domains? Yeah,
Yes.
panel, go ahead.
Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
yeah, you can join.
Hackathon for DSA as well. This is a good question, right?
So I want to answer for this. So we are planning some exciting coding contest for you all. So it's not like a hackathon one, but it's a coding contest. We will be soon announcing the dates and the timings for it. So stay tuned on the Discord as well as on the mail also.
Yep. Also, do register for the hackathon, right? If you are in DSA
Yeah.
background, that's the thing. But you need to learn some development part also. So hackathon is the best place for you, and this cohort is the best place for you. uh, when we get the resources. of ML.
So as I said, all the resources, all the class links and the updates of the timetable, you will be getting on the Discord server. So according to me, don't forget to join the Discord server first. And if
Yeah,
you have any
this is also
problem, you
answered.
can contact to Subrato.
I have applied to the classes, just wondering will the timing of each session be different or should be the same? Yeah, Shubroto, go ahead.
Okay, so classes timing will be like if we change, we can change the dates only. Like timing will be after evening 6, 7, 8, 9. Cool. We will not schedule any class timing in day. Cool. All the timings will be in evening, but we can change the date as per the mentor's convenience. Cool. So dates can change, but time will be after evening.
Can we get the resources? Definitely, we'll get the resources. Definitely. Timing of the classes. Yeah, this is evening time, right? And evening and night time mainly because after your college, after your all the things, you can take the session. Yeah, Drishti, go ahead with that
Yes, we'll
question.
start
Will it
with
start from
basics.
basic?
So, not necessary basics, but you'll be given some resources like prerequisites, but it will be like very, very minimal prerequisites, and majorly it will start from basics only.
Yep, yep. And yeah,
Yeah.
again, you can.
Same.
If I selected blockchain as domain and if we want to change our domain, can we do? Yeah, definitely you can. So Maniket, if I have not participated before in hackathon, would the hackathon be completely beginner friendly? Anyone?
Yes, the hackathon is gonna be completely beginner friendly. And if you haven't participated in a hackathon before, it is like hackathon is the best place to learn something. And you are very welcome to join the hackathon, Eduhub Hackathon.
Yes, definitely. Like after learning something, there is the opportunity for you to implement in the hackathon, right? We are teaching something, and after that, we will provide you a like platform where you can showcase your skills, right? So you can join. Yeah, is this question answered? Again answered. Same doubt, sir. Which doubt? Like the changing the domain? Yes, you can change the domain according to the classes, right? How will attendance be taken? Anyone wants to go?
The attendance will be taken through the quizzes that will be done after the classes.
Yep, there will be quizzes. From Ayushi Singh, there is one question. Are there any sponsor coming from Android development trade so that we can include their software tools in the hackathon projects? Till now, I don't have any idea for the Android part, but yeah, definitely we will try for the sponsor in the hackathon, right? For the Android tools, we will try.
Uh, and if we can't, then you can also add them in your projects. Like you can use any software you can or tech stack you want to develop your projects. So no barrier on that, but we will try our best.
Yeah, what is prerequisite for machine learning? Yeah, Amar, if you want to go.
Yeah, you can start from basic. First class will be on the intro about machine learning, intro about Colab and Python libraries. So basic.
Basic of Python, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Yeah, next question. Like, what will be the platform for classes? Yeah, Akash, you can go ahead.
So the basically the platform for the classes for being now is the Google Meet, that's a G Meet. So we will be sharing the link by the mail and the Discord server. So stay tuned in the Discord plus the mail. Please regularly check your mails. That's important.
Yep. So there is another question like, do you get any placement assistance? Yes, yes, you will get a placement assistance from Gigs for Gigs. And we are searching for another internship and job portal so that they can give you some assistance in the placement point of view also. Like we are connecting with lots of companies, lots of like platform uh, like to provide you the internship and placement. And Gigs for Gigs is there to support you in terms of placement, right?
So, according to me, the mentors are enough for their placement assistance also. As I can say, the DSA mentors, you can say they are interning at Visa, Amazon. So you can take as much as knowledge you can take from them. So it's a big
Yes,
opportunity for you all.
they are like your seniors and like they are in college itself and they are working in Visa, Amazon itself, so it will be a great opportunity for you people to gain some knowledge from the mentor, right? The mentor will be your bhaiya, didi, and you can say anything, right? Your friend as well. Okay, so moving to the next question, like, yeah, Aditya Tagi, hey, I'm beginner in blockchain technology. Would it be beneficial? Yes, yes, yes. Blockchain is like we will start from the basic on the blockchain domain. Also, we will build a project like end-to-end project with you people so that after completing the 21 days cohort, you can build a project on blockchain, Ethereum, and showcase on the hackathon, right? This is our main vision so that you can learn as well as build, not the theory concept, right? Another question, I have not got any mail till now from your side. Okay, you did not get any kind of mail. That means you are putting a wrong mail, right? That's why you are not receiving any kind of mail from our side, because I can see when I personally when I send all the mail, there are some bad emails are there. That's why this may happen. You are missing some words or capital and small letter, so that may happen, right? So you can fill another form because the registration is still open. Like you can fill another form so that we can give you another mail, and don't forget to join the Discord server. That's the main thing. Again, what's the pre-requirements of the machine learning? Amar, again, like Amar explained the thing, so I don't think again we need to explain. How will attendance be taken? I guess it's also answered, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Any prerequisite for blockchain? Yes, no prerequisites is there. We will start from the basic. Do you get any placement assistance again? Already solved the question. Hackathon will be in team or separate? Yes, hackathon will be in both. If you want to be individual attendee, you can, and if you want to be, collaborate with your fellow classmate, definitely you guys can go with the team. Like team limit is three, and single entity is also there. Single participant is also there. Will they be teaching us from beginning? Again, go to the panel. Yes, absolutely beginning.
So I want
Again,
to
same
say
question.
this. I want to say we have all designed the course. The syllabus is like that, so all the beginner friendly and the advanced one are also covered in that syllabus. So you don't want to worry about it. We all, the panel that's sitting here, have discussed all the components of the syllabus very finally and made you deliver the classes accordingly.
Yep, that's the thing. Okay, so I'm having one question to the Shubroto. Like, is there any kind of basic requirement to start Android development for the like beginners? They don't know anything about Android or anything. Anything required?
No, as we are planning the syllabus, like we will start from the environment setup, like from the scratch. We will start from the environment setup, then we jump to the language. We will teach you the language also. Like we are going to have the 21 days cohort in Kotlin. So we will gonna we're gonna teach you the Kotlin, and we're gonna set up your environment to practice Android development in your local system. So yeah, we will start from scratch. No need any prerequisite. We will cover everything.
Again, one question for you, Subrato.
How to join the domains in Discord? Cool. So I have seen many of you asking this question. So no need to join any domain. Like if you have the role, you have the access to every each and every domain. Like I will suggest you to not join three or more domains, like more than three domains. It will be hectic for you to like maintain all the domains tasks. Like we will be giving quizzes tasks, and you have to maintain all of those to get yourself on leaderboard. Then you can, like if you manage to solve the issues with every domain, then you can join. But I will recommend up to three domains, because every domain mentors will teach you thoroughly from the scratch, so it will be hectic for you. And again, in Discord, no need to have any specific domain role or any kind of these things. You will have access to all of the domains channels. You can post in any domain channel regarding to that.
Cool. So another question is like classes on Google Meet, right? Yes, classes on Google Meet if needed. If the participant is huge, then like we will move into that Microsoft Teams. Who is the mentor for Android development? Yeah, Shivrato
Okay,
again.
so I'll be one of the mentors of Android development. We have Agrima Gupta with us. So I and Agrima will be the mentors, and I will be the domain moderator. Like I will schedule all the classes and let you know when we are having classes or doubt sessions or quiz, anything like that. I will keep you updated, and we both will have the classes and quiz sessions and doubt sessions together. Cool.
Fine. Again, blockchain don't need any kind of prerequisite, but basic JavaScript knowledge if you have, that's enough. And if you don't know JavaScript, that's totally okay. We will give you the resources you can study and good to go. Yep. Next question. Yeah, how to attendance will be taken. Yeah, Drishti or Amar, you can go ahead.
So this question is already answered, and it will be taken through quizzes
Already
only.
answered? Quizzes only. Yeah, yeah, already answered. I forgot. What is the prerequisite for
It's
machine
answered.
learning? It's already answered by Amar. Uh, is there any machine learning hackathon? Yep, there is a track for machine learning folks. You guys can submit your machine learning projects on that track, right? Okay, this is also answered again. Since the hackathon will be conducted online, will there be any groups or we will be taking part alone like offline
Yes.
hackathon? We have different group taking part. Yeah, Drishti, go ahead.
So we'll be having, you can form a team of three, and you can even participate individually.
Yeah, you can form groups from your peers will participating in the cohort only. So don't bring any of your friend from outside and participate there. So
Yep. Next question. Like, will there be one mentor for one student or for one complete domain? Yeah, yeah, Shubhrato. Yeah, or
uh,
Akash, you can go ahead.
yeah, so we will not have like one mentors for one student. Like we are having participants or registrations like 1000 plus. So we can't bring 1000 plus mentors for you. So we will have we will have at least two mentors for each domain, right? Like in DSA there are three, in some domain there are four. So we will have at least two mentors for you in each and every domain.
Fine. So again, I want to congratulate the whole Eduhub team and all the community partners for getting like 1100 plus registration for the cohort. Okay, so like next question. Again, I will throw to Amar. From this course, can we work on my personal project?
Yeah, you can also work on the personal project. If you make the project for the hackathon, you can also put it in your resume. When you are sitting for your placement, the company will surely ask for your project.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep. Next question for Akash. How can DSA be covered in 6 classes? Interesting.
So that's what I was telling to you all. So we have refined it very much to discussion with all the panels we are having. So all the each topics will be taught to you in that way that you can be answering the interview questions very well. So from the basics to advanced, all the topics will be covered according to the interview and the placement preparation.
Yeah, so
Yep.
it's applies for all the domains. We can teach you like if you can see in every domain like front end is there. We can't teach you all the front end tech stacks in just 21 days, or we can't teach you ML in just 21 days. So we're gonna give you a kickstart to start your journey with that domain. So the
Yeah,
further journey
the
will be,
prerequisite
yeah.
is essential for every domain, as we will
Yeah.
be throwing out the mails to all the participants for the prerequisites, especially for the DSA, as DSA needs some basics knowledge, and we will be having the classes according to their syllabus one.
Fine. Thanks, guys. Do you need any prerequisite? Again, we will start from scratch. But yeah, for DSA, I must suggest like basic syntax of C++ is needed, right,
Mm.
Akash?
Yeah, and some knowledge of variables and you can say int, float, what is that? So that's needed to be there for that.
Yep. Fine. Fine. So next question, like from Aditya, is the hackathon offline or online? This is completely online program, right? We don't have any kind of offline features in that cohort or hackathon. Mentor for Android Dev and take in Android Dev. In teach in Android Dev. Yep.
Taking
So I have answered this question. So I and Akrima will be the mentor, and I will be the domain moderator.
Fine. Another question, is there any machine learning? Yes, yes, yes. There will be a track for machine learning. Um, is the classes done on YouTube? No. Classes will be on Meet, and doubt classes will be on Discord
Discord.
itself. And if the class range is huge, then we will move on to the Teams. But there will be one features like we want to provide, that is the recording. We will try to provide the recording to you guys so that you can go through the video lecture again.
Yeah.
Yeah. DSA will be in which language,
So DSA
Akash?
will be in the C++ language, um, and all the bases will be like prerequisite will be pushed onto your mail IDs. So stay tuned on the Discord as well as in the mail ID.
Buddy, can you please explain more? Like, is there anything more than hackathon? Like, what you want? Like, what is your expectation from this cohort? Like, apart from hackathon? Yep. How to register for the domain? Already you are registered for the domain, right? Again, same question. Let me skip it. Android development will be on Flutter or Kotlin. It will be in Kotlin. Um, my friend want to join the camp. Can she join now? Yeah, Drishti.
So yes, the registrations are still open, and you can register again. You can register.
Fine. Yep. Can I choose one more domain now? Yes, you can, Vanshika. What are the criteria for getting internship and placements? Like it's not criteria. If you are good at any tech stack, DSA, then you can easily grab the placement, right? We can give you the company data, we can give you the platform, but rest of the thing is yours. how you will face the uh, like interview or the computer, like the what I can say, the test, right? It's up to you.
Yeah, so we will be giving you internship assistance, not internship. So there is a
Yes.
difference.
Yes,
Yeah,
assistance and providing internship.
as all the mentors are like having experience enough uh, in the respective domains, plus they are interning in the companies also, so they will be assisting you.
Yes. If I want to go to startup, this will help me or not? Yes, I guess, right? Blockchain will definitely help you to kickstart your journey in blockchain. And Android mentor is there, so we can take like talk about Android also. It is necessary to have a basic knowledge about Python. Yeah, Amar.
Yeah, it will help you to learn very smoothly if you have the basic knowledge of Python.
Fine. Phone is enough for classes. Yes, you can easily take classes from the phone. But for coding, you need laptop, right? Will there be recording for of the classes? Yes, we will try to provide the recording to you people. Again, same question, Shubham. Like, yes, there will be a track for hackathon. Uh, Recording, yes, recording. We will try to provide. We will try to provide. Any pre-placement of backend development? Yes, backend development. Yeah, Amar, like
Yeah,
she is working.
if you have a basic requirement, then fine. Or actually, we will be a start from Django. So you need some the basic requirement of Python.
Again, same question. Vanshika asked. Yep, we will try to upload the recording session on the YouTube. Yep. Who's the mentor of the blockchain? For blockchain, there is Kavya and Akshay. Both will be teaching you blockchain. Apart from that, there will be some exclusive mentors from industry. Like we have one mentor from Covalent itself, one mentor from Page AI itself. So another mentor is coming from another industry. So we have industry people, right? Cool. How can I change my domain? It's already answered. Like you can go to the classes, and automatically we will be shifted into the next, like in your domain, right? Fine. I don't do C++. Will Java be enough for DSA? Akash, any comments?
So yeah, so DSA is like that. It is not a language specific. You just need to build your logic. So
Yeah.
we will be providing it in a way that you can code in C++ as well as in the Java. Just you have to be careful about the syntax difference in between the Java and the C++. So how the syntax works. So I don't think so that DSA is like that language specific. So that the course specification is like that you can be coded in Java as well as in C and C++ also.
Thank you. Awesome. So we don't have any kind of time right now, and I don't think any kind of question is missing, right? So we can wrap up the session. Before wrap up the session, I would like to again I would like to give you another opportunity, like the opportunity is you can click a photo, or you can click a screenshot of the session, and you can put it over the LinkedIn or Twitter or Instagram, and you can tag us, and I will be sharing one link with you people. Like this is the Google Form link, and yep, you can fill up the Google Form. Like you need to put your social media link, like the post link, right? You need to put your post link. on the form, and the most liked or comment or viewed or reachable post will get some swags from our side. It's okay for everyone. Just click a photo and share with your social media and tag us. Hey, now my friend can't join the Eduhub server. What's the issue? Can you please explain in the chat? Or you can talk to the Discord with Shubhrato. Just DM him. He will solve your doubt. Or just talk in the general section.
Yeah.
And for the Discord purpose, I am again sharing the screen, like the QR code. You guys can join the Discord server with that QR code only, right? Yeah, I don't think any kind of question is there. Okay, so we can wrap up the session, right? Yeah, Drishti, over to you.
So, thank you everyone for joining, and let's begin the journey of learning something new in these 21 days. Thank you everyone for joining us again. See you in the 21 days cohort.
Thank you,
Thank
Drishti.
you.
Thank you,
Thank
all
you.
the panelists.
Thank you,
See you in the
everyone.
cohort.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye bye.